Now, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're gonna have some fun. This is gonna be a fun video. So, it's hot out today. It's summer. You know, it's one of those hot summer days. And I just need something to refresh me. So, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna be making popsicles out of a Starbucks drink. How, you ask? Keep watching to find out. That was kind of clever. No, that was kind of bad though. I kind of hate myself for that. So what you're gonna need, popsicle trays. Now, to do this Starbucks popsicle drink at home, I have these packaged Passion Tango iced tea. Passion tea lemonade is a drink at Starbucks, and with these you can make that at home, and that's what I'm going to be doing today, but turning it into popsicles. So basically you still have to go to Starbucks to make these, but like you just make them at home and buy these. So first we have to actually like make this drink, and I think I just use one package. I have to go boil some water. Once you put the tea bag in, how the fuck am I gonna get this out? So once you have your tea bag in your jug thing, you have to go boil water to make the tea, and then you have to steep it, because I mean it is tea. Waiting to get boiled water. Probably should have just used the kettle. Okay, so you're going to pour the hot water into your jug thing, but put it down just in case so you don't burn yourself. Okay, so now that you have this, it's all ready to let it sit for 5 minutes so the tea can steep, and then we'll come back, ice it, put our lemonade in it, and have a heyday. Okay, so I'll be back in 5 minutes. Right, it's been 5 minutes. Our tea is steeped. I got it. Success. Okay. Okay. That's good. So now we're going to put some lemonade in there because we already have the water. I have pink lemonade that we're going to put in this tea. Gonna make it real spiffy and nice. So it'll look a nice red color like this. I'm going to try some just to see. Well, it's actually pretty good. I want more lemonade though. I might just like pour lemonade into the popsicle trays. We have the tea all made. Our passion tea lemonade, if you will. Grab your ice cream trays. I said ice cream trays. Grab your popsicle trays, although mine do look like ice cream. So you take it and then just pour it. Now, okay. I want mine to taste a little bit more like lemonade, so I'm going to do like 3/4 this, because there's already lemonade in here, and then fill the rest up with lemonade. Yeah, okay, so take the leftover lemonade you have and pour her in the rest of the mold. Okay, so now that the molds are full, we're going to put the tops back on and pop these babies in the freezer. Oh no! They fell over! Okay guys, so it's the next day. The popsicles should be ready. Here they are. Let's see if I can get it out. I tried to take one out last night and ended up like messing the whole thing up, so let's let's see how this goes. Do I have to like warm them up or something? What the hell? Why can't anything just work for me? Oh! This is the final product. Kind of smells like passion tea. These are so good. Oh my god. This is the best thing that I have ever done. Okay, so I highly recommend 10 out of 10. This actually worked out. I'm so happy that this actually worked. And the popsicles taste like a passion tea lemonade from Starbucks. If you liked this video, if you like passion tea lemonades from Starbucks, give this video a thumbs up because these turned out so bomb. Wow. And subscribe down below for more. I'm gonna go finish this even though it's pouring rain outside right now. It's okay, it's still summer. It's still summer. Okay, goodbye.